How are you doing? Team Nokia Powers are here, and we welcome you all to a very exciting video. As we would notice, we have this Nokia 8.1 retail box here, and in this video, not only we will unbox it, we will also share our first impressions on Nokia 8.1, including build quality, design, etc. So Nokia 8.1 is the latest from house of Nokia phones called HMD, and this device is like one of the most awaited and much desired Nokia smartphone. Not only because of its design, display, etc., but because it comes with a very good rear camera, and the software that supports camera is also very good with AI enabled auto scene detection, etc., which like as we have seen that it was launched in China as Nokia X7, and the report from China suggests that the camera is really very good. So, like it was a big confusion whether Nokia X7 will come as Nokia 7.1 Plus and or 8.1 to other markets or globally. But we had exclusively reported about it being Nokia 8.1, and now here it is. So, without much or further ado, let's go to the unboxing part. So, before that, we can quickly see. So, it's like major specifications I hear. So it's a pure display. So okay, so this I mean a smartphone carries the pure display branding. So it comes with HDR support. So it's like a 6.2-inch display, full HD plus. Then it comes with a 12 megapixel or 30 megapixel dual rear camera with Zeiss optics. So the good thing about this camera is that it comes with OIS, unlike Nokia 7 Plus, and it's in a way like much better. It comes with Sony sensor. Then you can see the advanced AI imaging, which tells us that the software may be really good. The dual site mode, there has been like enhancements in dual site mode, which we had earlier demoed as well. Then it is powered by Snapdragon 710 mobile platform, fast charging, etc. And again, the good news is that it's a made in India device, as you would quickly notice here. It's again a made in India device, and it is priced around 28,831. But yes, retail pricing may be different. So the if you ask us, then the retail package is attractive for sure. Looks nice. Now time to unbox it. Okay. Okay. So I think it's okay. Nice color. It's reddish, iron red, I think. So we have got this iron red model. Okay, we'll quickly come to this, but first let's see what else is there in the retail box. So user guide, the small small tool to insert SIM, and then we have what else? Okay, so again, surprisingly, it does not come with headphone. So I mean, there have been once when the retail package had, I mean, did not have the headphone. I think that happened with Nokia at Sirocco, but later we found that there was some issue with the retail packaging, maybe. So maybe when the retail box comes later for Nokia 8.1, it will have the headphone. But for now, you can see the user guide and the charger. That's all what you will see in this retail box. Okay, now quickly let's come to the device. Let's play with it a bit, talk about the design, etc. So obviously, so it's, I think, the same kind of, it has a aluminum or metallic frame, which gives it the strength which is required. But again, if we talk about the whole material, body construction material, then it is glass. You can see the headphone jack here, headphone jack has become a kind of feature now. So whenever we see headphone jack on any of the phone, now we talk or like try to highlight it. So initially it was not like that, so most of the phones used to have it, but now it's like a different case. So, and you can notice that flash has moved to left from right. On Nokia 7 Plus it used to be to the right, now it is to the left. Fingerprint sensor, if you look at the bottom, then you can notice the USB slot, speaker here. The device really feels nice when you hold it in your hand. But again, I mean, if I compare it mentally to Nokia 6.1 Plus or like 5.1 Plus, it feels more robust than them. But then again, it's a glass body construction, so I would highly recommend you to go ahead and buy a cover so that you can keep it safe, because glass is glass. But then again, if you ask me, with this color, this iron red color, the device really look gorgeous. It's a beautiful device. So it comes with a notch. So we will quickly power it on now. Android one. So now you will notice the notch. So surprisingly, HMD decided to keep notch on Nokia 8.1 really big if you compare to likes of Nokia 6.1 Plus or Nokia 7.1, on which the notch is not as big as it looks like here. Sometimes design decisions are like I mean, slightly surprising. So we really can't comment on that. But yes, it could have been better if they could have minimized the notch. For now, we will skip everything. We'll quickly go to the display. So Nokia 8.1 plays the same role in the lineup which like Nokia 7 Plus played, the predecessor played. So it's like a flagship killer. So if you uh, really want to, get a device which gives you the feeling of a flagship, its design, display quality, camera quality, etc., but you don't want to spend as much as you much will spend for a flagship, you can go for it. So this is Nokia 8.1. So obviously, people are like a bit kind of like disappointed that it does not come with Snapdragon 8, because Nokia 8 came with Snapdragon 835 processor. But one thing we must understand, that Nokia 8 was more like an experiment than anything. So Nokia 7 Plus is actually what it intends to replace. So for Nokia 8 and Nokia 804 fans, there will be the flagship Nokia 9 that will come at some time. So now we can see the display here. We have reached to it. So I mean, as I said, we will obviously come with the detailed review of the performance and other things, detailed review of performance, detailed review of display, etc. So for now, we will just quickly take you through. So the device comes with Android Pie pre-installed, and it's November patch as well. The version name is TA1121. Okay. So with that, we come to end of our unboxing of Nokia 8.1. So far you may have seen, like as I said, that I mean, it's really a beautiful device. It really looks nice. It feels really good in your hand. And though I would say that you should put a cover on so that you can actually make it safer, because it's obviously I mean, it comes with a metallic frame which gives it a solid kind of like feel. The construction is good, but then it has the glass material or glass construction. So in a way, if it falls down, then it's obviously a risk. So that way, Nokia 8.1 Plus is really good in terms of design and build quality. It has that Nokia feel in it. Okay, so with that we come to end of this video. Stay tuned to Nokia Power's YouTube channel for more on Nokia 8.1 as we bring more coverage of it. So thanks for watching.